Thinking of building a website with WordPress, you've probably seen two popular options on Envato, themes and template kits. But what's the difference and which one's right for you? So let's break it down. A WordPress theme is a complete design framework. It controls your site's overall look, colors, fonts, layout, even how your blog posts and menus appear. Once installed, it instantly transforms your site. Many themes come with built-in features like sliders, galleries, and even bundled plugins like WooCommerce or WP Bakery. Popular themes like Avada or Salient offer tons of customization, but you're still working within their design system. It's like buying a fully furnished house. You can rearrange the furniture, but the walls stay where they are. Now let's talk about template kits. These are a collection of pre-designed page templates like home, about, services, contact, built for page builders like Elementor. You import them directly into your page builder and customize every section, image, and text block. No coding needed. Template kits give you a creative freedom. You're not locked into a theme structure. You build your site piece by piece exactly how you want. So, if you want a plug and play site for your business, blog, or store, go to WordPress theme. It's fast, reliable, and even includes everything you need. But if you're a designer, freelancer, or just love creative control, a template kit is your playground. You can mix, match, and build something truly unique. Truly unique. Just remember, template kits require a compatible page builder like Elementor, so make sure you've got that installed first. You can even combine both, use a lightweight theme as your base and layer on template kits for custom pages. Whether you choose a theme or template kit, Envato has thousands of options to match your style, niche, and goals. Your perfect website is just a few clicks away, so go ahead and build something amazing.